Hey everyone, I'm Rachel. Firstly I want to just welcome you to our group and community, and thank you guys for being here. I really love that everyone's getting involved and helping each other out. It's awesome. I'm really happy about that. But I just wanted to do a little video today of steps to take when you first get your device. So the first thing you really need to do when you get your device is to register the warranty. So each device comes with a serial number, which you can see there. And you need to log into your back office, which hopefully you've been given your login details. You can log into your back office and go to the navigate page, and then if you look down the list on the left hand side, there's a button that says, or a link that says device warranty, and if you click into that, you'll see your device there and it'll have a little like serial number, like barcode. If you click on the barcode, then it brings up a box and you just put your serial number in there. If there's no barcode and it says expired, that means you can't do it from your back office. You do need to send customer service a message, which you can do from your back office as well. Instead of going into navigate, you click into info down the very bottom, and then in the very top, after you've clicked info, there'll be customer service, and you just press on that and send them the information to say, hey, can you register my device? This is the serial number, and then Joanna from our customer service will go in and do that for you. Okay, so hey Ava, can you stop bouncing that ball around just while I'm doing this, darling? When you first get your device, so this attachment can move around quite a lot and it can detach from the actual device, and you don't want to do that, otherwise your device will stop working. So what I saw was someone had a hairband tied around it. So I used to have a hairband tied around, but that keeps coming off. So I've just taped mine down with sticky tape. So you can see I've just taped my cord down so this doesn't move around so much. Another good thing to do is to go and get yourself a glass water jug if you don't have one already. I just went to Woolies and I grabbed this. It was like $4. It holds like 1.5 litres of water. So the first thing I do in the morning is I just get up and I charge this every morning, and that's what I drink during the day. Is there anything else I needed to tell you? Yeah, register your warranty, tape your cord down, and get yourself a glass jar or a glass jug to charge your water every day. Oh, that's right, there was one more thing. If you don't already have one, you can go out and grab a hairdryer stand. They're not the greatest of quality. You might be able to find something better. I've heard people are using like microphone stands or music stands. Some people are making their own little contraptions, but I mean, I got this. It was pretty cheap. It's a bit dodgy. This is like broken off and stuff, and I can't put it up and down, but it still works. I use it to charge my water with, so I don't have to stand there for 5 or 10 minutes to charge my water. I find it really good for like the top of my head as well. So what I'll do is I'll sit down in my chair and I'll kind of just rest the stand on the chair, and then I've got it over my head. Yeah, and I kind of just sit and then just move my head around. It's good to put it on a table. Like I've got a table right here, so if I put it on a table and I wanted to do my neck, yeah, I'm not going to position it properly, but I'd be able to position it and then just turn around and do like the back of my neck and my back. I'd just kind of move around in front of it. I think that's it. Yeah, so just a few little things to do when you first get your device, and hope you're loving your device. If you feel like sharing some testimonials in the group, that'd be awesome. Okay, see you later.